Hello, how are you all? Today, I'm going to show you how to access the comment history for each TikTok video. In the TikTok app, you'll find a new feature that allows you to view all the comments you've made on every video since you started using the app. Make sure you have the latest update installed to activate this function. Go to the Google Play Store and search for TikTok. If you already have the app updated, open it and go to your profile section. To view the comment history, tap the three lines to open the menu, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to find the option, Comment and Video View History. Inside this section, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the comments you've made, along with the video thumbnails they belong to. You can even search for older comments by swiping. Although this function is quite interesting, it still needs some refining. It would be great to have the ability to go to the first comment or filter comments by dates. If you want to delete a comment from an older video, simply long press the comment and select Delete. After refreshing the page, you'll notice that the comment is no longer in your comment history. Please note that the availability of this feature may vary, so make sure to check your settings menu for updates regularly. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I am Sebas from BALMA Tech, and see you in the next video.